Hello and welcome. So, how do you customize the footer in Shopify Spotlight theme? Now, this is a particularly very easy one to do, so just bear with me on this one. It's just you gotta go here, click this one, the online store. This is on your front page, by the way. And let's just wait for it to load a little bit here. And right here, just create here's the details over here on the side. Click here the customize, and in the customization you can see the theme here. It's a beautiful theme, by the way, so props to them for creating this one. So this is the top theme and the bottom theme right here. So just click on this one, and once you click on that, it'll prompt you to this side right here where you could edit and edit the text basically. So let's try to edit the text here, sample, just for the sake of the video. So it's going to be really quick. Customize, and after that you can see that it's completely changed as well. So that's how you change it, and that's how easy it is. So thanks for watching, and I hope this video is educational for you guys, and you guys have a nice day.